Hello everyone, so today we are back with another video, and this time we will let you know how much does it cost to promote your business on Google Ads. So now this question we will answer you with references and for various other niches that we have done the ads for, so that you have some sort of idea on how much that you should be spending to get some sort of results from Google Ads. So now this depends on your website, that is the type of services that you offer, your location targeting. Based on your location targeting, you should be able to see what is the competition. So now from what we have seen in our past data, for example, taking for a dentist, what we have seen is the cost per click ranges between $5 to $10, and then for the call only campaign between $20 to $25. What we have seen is the cost per click goes to that level, and then for a dentist, based on the $5 or $10 CPC, we should be able to get some good number of leads if we spend around $1,000 to $1,500 for a campaign. What we have seen is from a dentist, the conversion rate lies between 10% to 15%. So if we go to that sort of things, what we have seen is the cost per lead ranges between $50 to sometimes $75 based on the location and based on the type of competitions we have. So now let's take some examples for some other businesses. So now for the real estate agents, that is who have the homes listed on their website and they want to sell their homes, for that kind of business, what we have seen is for any US client, based on the competition, the cost per click ranges between $1 to $2. Considering that we have around 10% to 15% conversion rate, the cost per conversion will be around $15 to $20. So for that sort of business, if we can spend around $600 to $750 in 1 month, we should be able to see some leads. Then based on the ROI we get, we should be able to ramp up the campaigns as much as we want. So now we can take example of a lawyer. We have seen is based on the type of service that you offer as a lawyer, the cost per click can be ranges from like $35 to $50 for any personal injury lawyer. And what we have seen is for one of the accounts that we have managed, the cost per click was at $600 just for a click. That sort of campaign or the account, the client was spending around $20,000 to $25,000. The service that they were giving was the personal injury service, but based on the type of campaign they have mostly used the search ads and then the call only ads, and then they came to us, and then we have done the audit. We have started working on the campaigns, and we have done the new setup of the campaigns using the new type of campaigns. We have been able to reduce the CPC to around $25 to $50 for a click, and for them the cost per conversion was actually half or 1/3 to what they used to pay. So now you can imagine, based on the type of service you give, based on the amount of competition that you have for that specific location where you cater your service to, you should be able to spend these amounts to get some sort of results. But if you are still not sure on how to proceed with this, and you don't have any idea at all for the type of service that you offer, that what will be the CPC or what you should be spending, you can certainly contact us on WhatsApp. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can just message us over there. We will try to help you as best as possible. We will be giving you the plan of actions on how you can get some more leads for your business, and how to take your business to the next level.